Hi guys, thanks for watching the video. I am Koko from drawwithcoco.com. Today I'm going to show you how to draw anime girls' eyes. So let's get to it. There are so many different ways of drawing anime eyes. I'm just going to show you one way, which I usually draw. Okay, um, when I start drawing eyes, I usually draw from left eye. Just basically just give this curvy line like that, and then we're gonna draw another line over this, but connect the end, and then the farther you go up, the more space you get. Okay, so it looks like this, and fill this in. Okay. And because it's a girl, we're gonna add some eyelashes. Maybe just a sharp triangle shape like this, and one more. Let's just do two, and fill this in. Okay. And then we want to draw the eyeball. And it's up to you what size of the eyes you want to draw. But let's just go for, I'm just gonna go for this size. Okay. And after you drew that, we're gonna draw the bottom part of the eye. So just a simple line at the bottom. Okay. And we're gonna add, because it's a girl, we are going to add eyelashes again. One, two, let's just do three. One, two, three. Okay. And then inside eye pupil, basically the black circles. Okay, not the perfect circle, but more long oval shape of that pupil. Looks nice. And then right here, top left corner, we're adding the shiny part of the eyes. And this is my style, but I like to draw a little bit extra lines. It just looks kind of nice. Just draw one line underneath, and don't draw all the way, but maybe until it covers the eyeballs like this. Yeah. And then we might want to add slight line like this, so it's double eyelid, I guess. Okay. Okay, so when you are drawing now we're gonna draw exactly the same star eye to the right side. It's kind of like a mirrored. So we're gonna start the same process. One line first, another line. Oh yeah, if it's difficult to mirror, you might want to give some guideline, but really draw light, subtle line so you won't get, so afterwards you can erase easy. So like that, oops. And don't worry about making a mistake, because you can always erase. So we are drawing another eye. Fill this in. Okay. And we put the eyelashes here, so we're gonna do the opposite, the same location but opposite. One, two, and fill this in. Okay. And again, just give some kind of guideline, so it's gonna be the same level. We are adding the eyeballs. That. And here the pupil. and then the shiny part like this. Then we're going to draw the bottom. And here we are, we're gonna add some eyelashes on the bottom as well. Um, and then as I said, it looks kind of nice effect to give another line kind of over the eyeballs. So I do like that. And then lastly, the double eyelid part. So this is it. And this is how you can draw the anime eyes. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, requests, feel free to write and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Okay, so I will see you again. Take care. Bye.